Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about ALIPAY tips and tricks. And in this video, I will show you how to check if your ALIPAY is fully verified and you can start receiving and send money out in your ALIPAY. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your ALIPAY app. After you open up your ALIPAY app, go ahead and click on the profile icon right here. So click on account. Click on account right here. And the next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and proceed with the setting icon from the top corner. So go ahead and click on that. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on account and security. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on identity information. Go ahead and click on that. Then here you go. So if you find out that your rename verification status is written verified right here, it simply means that your ALIPAY is fully verified and you can start using the ALIPAY wallet balance. You can start receiving payment in ALIPAY, and at the same time, you can start sending out payment in your ALIPAY. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about ALIPAY topic like this, consider subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.